VIKTOR Schauberger once said, "Perhaps you will now also understand why I told the highly shocked professors at the Vienna University of Natural Resources and Applied Life Sciences the example of the rotting clean beer, producing cycloidal space curves while running. These gentlemen had understood me just as little as a severely offended doctor once did when I told him that it is not worms, as is imagined in medical circles, that pierce the egg to be fertilized, but that energy substance crossings occur when the waste substance carrier, moving rhythmically up and down with its fertilizing stalk, irritates the incorrectly dimensioned amniotic sac. In any case, it is shocking to see how far removed today's science is from natural soil culture. It does exactly the opposite of what nature, which has not yet been raped by humans, demonstrates to us. It is truly no wonder that all over the world, instead of an abundance of foodstuffs, there is need and thus a flourishing and profitable trade in essential commodities. Today's science thinks too primitively. You could say it is an octave too low. It has not yet penetrated far enough into the energetic realm and is only materialistically oriented. That is why it bears the main responsibility for the conditions we are experiencing today. This development was probably a necessity because how else could misguided people recognize the true connections? Now, however, it is high time to use practical examples to show what a natural soil culture should look like before the whole humanity goes completely mad.
research flatters.